Modal verbs. We all have that one strict teacher that can never be understanding toward their students. For Larry, that teacher is Miss Grace. Okay, class. Shall we get started? Let's all open our books to page 25.
Excuse me? Miss Grace?
Yes, Larry. What is the problem?
May I go to the bathroom real quick, please?
What for? The class just started. You must pay attention to the lesson.
Yes, I understand, but I really need to go. Will you please excuse me?
No, Larry. Stay in your seat and get ready to read the paragraphs on page 25 out loud.
What is wrong with her? I don't understand.
Oh, come on. You already know how she is, Larry. You should have just stayed silent.
I know. I hoped that there would have been a slight chance that she might have let me go, though.
It's okay. She is rarely ever nice to anyone. Don't take it personally.
You're right. It is what it is, I guess. I miss Miss Collins.
Who? Our old teacher from last year?
Yes. Don't you remember her?
How can I not? She was one of the most caring teachers we have ever got. One time, I couldn't make it to class because I was sick, and she came to my house directly to check up on me.
Oh my God! Really?
Yeah, I could talk to her more than to my own mom.
We should visit her sometimes. Don't you think?
Great idea.
Larry, Mike, what may be so interesting that you have to discuss during my class? Shall I stop teaching so you can come here and do that instead?
No, we are very sorry, Miss Grace.
Yes, our apologies.
Good. Tony is planning to ask his girlfriend, Pat, to marry him. However, he is not sure if he should do so or not.
Hey man, what are you doing here? Oh, hey Cole. I'm just thinking about something. What's up? Not much really, but I'm curious about what may be on your mind right now. Care to share? You must promise me that you will not tell anyone about it, though. Oh, come on, man. You know me. I am your best friend. My lips are sealed. Okay. Well, I think I will propose to Pat soon. You're kidding! That's amazing, dude! Congratulations! Yeah, I am quite excited. But I must say I am really nervous as well. What for? You guys have been together for over 10 years. I'm sure Pat will not refuse you. You should not worry. I know. I just can't help it. You understand me? There is still a chance that she may say no. Why would you think so? I believe she deserves the perfect man, and I am not that. I fear that she may be unhappy marrying me. Well, I can tell you that I also used to think so before marrying my wife. You did? Yes. Surprising, right? My advice is that you should try your best to make her happy instead of being scared and doing nothing. If she is unhappy, she shall tell you. I guess you're right. Thank you. No problem, bro. Can you tell me how you are planning to propose to Pat? Imagine this. Us on top of the Eiffel Tower, Me, down on one knee? Everyone is cheering us on. What do you think? Romantic, but quite cliche. You may want to do something more personalized. Maybe I can bring her to the place we had our first date at. That sounds more like it. Yeah? Yes. Knowing Pat, I think she will like that much better. Thanks, Cole. You're welcome.
With strict parents, Lisa nearly never goes out. However, it is finally her 18th birthday. Will her parents be more agreeable this time?
Mom? Dad? May I come in?
Sure, honey. What do you need from us?
Well, I was just wondering if I could do something different for my 18th birthday. Like what, honey? Your dad and I already planned out an entire celebration party for you.
Yes, it's going to be a pink party. We will order pink balloons, pink confetti, pink party hats, and a pink cake. What more would you want?
I understand that you care for me a lot, and I appreciate it, but I was thinking that maybe I could go out with my friends instead. Friends? But I don't understand. You have always loved spending your birthday with our family. I truly have, but I'm 18 this year, Mom. Shouldn't I be allowed to hang out with my friends if I want to?
Don't raise your voice at us, Missy. Your mom and I will talk about it and let you know later, okay?
Okay.
What do you think is up with her? Why did she suddenly change her mind like that?
I think she might have a boyfriend. I overheard her talking on the phone with her friend about a boy named Michael.
Boyfriend? I must talk to her about this. She should not be dating now. She will leave for college soon.
Calm down. I was already dating you when I was her age, remember?
Yeah.
Well, we should let her do what she wants. She is an adult now.
Do you really think so?
I do.
Okay, then.
Lisa?
Yes, Dad? Have you guys talked things through?
We have. Shall we discuss some things, kid?
Sure. I'm listening.
Well, your mom and I may let you go.
Oh my God! Oh my God! Are you serious? You're not joking, right?
Under some conditions. Don't get too excited yet, young lady.
Okay. Tell me the conditions.
First, you must not stay out past 9.
9? But isn't that too early? Can I come home before 10 instead? You can, baby.
What? We did not agree on that.
Come on. I believe she can take care of herself. Can't you, Lisa? Yes, I can. Thank you, Mom. What else must I do, Dad?
You should not hang out with boys. At least, not alone.
Okay, that's fine. Is that all?
That is all. But will you promise me one more thing?
What is it, Dad?
Please be safe, okay? I am very worried about you.
Aww. Okay, Dad. I love you too. I promise I will make it back in one piece.
Love you, kid.
What about me? I love you, Mom. I love you the most. Happy birthday, baby.
You should have just stayed silent.
You must pay attention to the lesson.
I couldn't make it to class because I was sick.
Well, your mom and I may let you go.
Will you please excuse me?
Can you tell me how you are planning to propose to Pat?